Welcome to the second video for the Code Your Christmas workshop. In this video, we'll be looking at how to code out the drinking glasses. Now, this is the code for the drinking glasses, and we'll run it now. The first thing you have to note about code is that you have to draw your grid first. The reason why you draw your grid first is because your grid is what will help you get the coordinates of the shape you are trying to replicate. Now notice this is 400 by 400, this is also 400 by 400. After that, we draw the horizontal lines that make up the drinking glasses, then we draw the vertical lines that make up the drinking glasses, then we draw the semicircle, then we draw the bubbles, and we do that for the second one. Same thing, and then we draw the bubbles for the second drinking glass. And with that, we are done. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for the training workshop coming up very soon.